CampStream 1. First up, we have the CampStream 1. This is the ultimate portable campsite with a built-in projector and screen for those who can't leave their movies behind. Imagine watching your favorite film under the stars, surrounded by nature. The setup is quick and easy, and the battery life ensures you won't miss the climax. It supports various streaming devices and has high-quality speakers built in, making it a perfect entertainment solution. Whether you're camping with family, friends, or even on a solo trip, the CampStream 1 transforms any outdoor space into a cozy movie theater. Plus, it's durable and weather-resistant, so you don't have to worry about unexpected rain ruining your movie night. AnyMaka Portable Hammock Stand. Next, we have the AnyMaka Portable Hammock Stand. One of the challenges of hammock camping is finding the perfect spot with trees spaced just right. The AnyMaka stand solves this problem by providing a sturdy, portable frame that you can set up anywhere. It's lightweight, yet incredibly strong, supporting up to 450 pounds. The stand is also adjustable, accommodating different hammock lengths and styles. With its quick assembly and disassembly, you can relax in comfort no matter where you are. Perfect for beach trips, desert camping, or even your backyard. The AnyMaka stand also comes with a convenient carry bag, making it easy to transport and store. Claris CL2. Lighting up your campsite is crucial, and the Claris CL2 does it brilliantly. This multifunctional lantern offers various brightness levels, a red light mode for night vision, and even serves as a power bank for your devices. Its compact and durable design means you can take it anywhere, ensuring your campsite is always well lit and your gadgets are charged. With a maximum output of 750 lumens, it can illuminate a wide area, making it ideal for cooking, reading, or just hanging out. The Claris CL2 is also water-resistant, ensuring reliable performance in all weather conditions. Additionally, it has a hook and magnetic base, allowing you to hang it or attach it to metal surfaces for hands-free lighting. Ignic Fire Can Portable. Safety and warmth come together in the Ignic Fire Can Portable. This compact propane-powered fire pit is perfect for campfires without the hassle of gathering wood or worrying about smoke. It's easy to transport and set up, providing a cozy atmosphere for storytelling or cooking s'mores. The fire can is designed with safety in mind, featuring a lockable lid and sturdy base. It's also environmentally friendly, producing fewer emissions than traditional wood fires. Plus, it complies with fire bans in many areas, making it a safe and convenient choice for any campsite. The fire can includes a built-in igniter and adjustable flame control, allowing you to easily start and regulate your fire. E&O Double Nest Hammock. For the ultimate relaxation, the E&O Double Nest Hammock is a must. Spacious enough for two, it offers unparalleled comfort and durability. Made from high-strength, breathable nylon, it can support up to 400 pounds. The hammock is easy to set up with E&O's lightweight aluminum carabiners and nautical-grade line, ensuring a secure hang. It packs down small into its integrated stuff sack, making it perfect for hiking, backpacking, or simply lounging at the campsite. Whether you're napping, reading, or stargazing, the Double Nest Hammock provides a cozy retreat. It also comes in various colors and patterns, allowing you to choose one that matches your style. Stoke Voltaics Electric Kettle. Boiling water on the go has never been easier with the Stoke Voltaics Electric Kettle. This portable, battery-powered kettle heats water quickly and efficiently, perfect for making coffee, tea, or instant meals. Its compact size makes it easy to pack, and the rechargeable battery ensures you can use it multiple times on a single charge. The kettle features an easy-to-read water level indicator and a built-in temperature control system, ensuring your water is always at the perfect temperature. It's an essential item for campers who crave their hot beverages, especially on chilly mornings. The kettle also has a safety feature that automatically shuts off when the water reaches boiling point, preventing overheating. Golo Go Camp. The Golo Go Camp is the Swiss Army knife of camp kitchens. This all-in-one cooking station includes a stove, grill, and multiple storage compartments, making meal prep a breeze. Its modular design allows you to customize it to fit your needs, whether you're cooking a simple meal or a gourmet feast. The Go Camp is designed to be compact and portable, with all components fitting neatly into a single unit for easy transport. With its durable construction and versatile functionality, the Go Camp ensures you can enjoy delicious meals wherever your adventures take you. It also includes a fold-out countertop and utensil organizer. Aero Tent. Setting up your tent has never been this quick and easy with the Aero Tent. This inflatable tent pops up in minutes with minimal effort, thanks to its integrated air pump system. It's made from durable, weather-resistant materials that can withstand harsh conditions, ensuring you stay dry and comfortable. The Aero Tent offers ample space for a comfortable night's sleep, with room for multiple campers and their gear. Ventilation windows and mesh panels provide excellent airflow, preventing condensation buildup. It's perfect for campers who want to spend more time exploring and less time setting up. The Aero Tent also includes multiple pockets and gear lofts, offering convenient storage options for your belongings. Opus Camper OP4. For those who prefer glamping, the Opus Camper OP4 is a dream come true. This luxurious pop-up camper expands to provide a spacious, comfortable living area with modern amenities. It includes a kitchen with a stove and sink, a dining area, beds, and even an outdoor shower. The OP4 is designed for easy towing and setup, with air tent technology that inflates in minutes. Its robust off-road capability means you can take it anywhere, from remote wilderness to established campgrounds. Enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing the comforts of home with the Opus Camper OP4. The camper also features solar panels and a battery system, ensuring you have power for all your devices and appliances. Hammock Outpost. The Hammock Outpost is the ultimate camping hub. This portable structure offers shade and shelter, making it perfect for both hot sunny days and unexpected rain. It's quick to set up and provides a great communal space for your campsite, ideal for cooking, eating, or just hanging out. The outpost is made from durable materials and includes adjustable guy lines and stakes for stability. It can be used with or without walls, offering flexibility for different weather conditions. The Hammock Outpost is a must-have for group camping trips or anyone looking to create a comfortable outdoor living space. Its spacious design can accommodate multiple hammocks or seating areas, making it a versatile addition to any campsite. Nomad Grills. Grilling in the wilderness is a breeze with Nomad Grills. This portable, foldable grill is perfect for BBQ enthusiasts who want to enjoy delicious grilled meals while camping. It's lightweight and easy to assemble, with plenty of cooking space for burgers, veggies, and more. The grill's innovative design ensures even heat distribution, and its compact size makes it easy to pack and transport. Whether you're cooking for a small group or a larger gathering, Nomad Grills will make your camp meals memorable. Enjoy the flavors of outdoor cooking with this essential camping gadget. The grill also features a built-in thermometer and adjustable vents, allowing you to control the cooking temperature with precision. Pocket Sink. Last but not least, the Pocket Sink is an ingenious solution for camp cleanliness. This collapsible sink is perfect for washing dishes, hands, or even laundry. It's made from durable, waterproof materials and can hold up to 10 liters of water. The Pocket Sink is lightweight and packs down small, making it easy to carry with your gear. Its versatile design includes handles for easy transport and drainage. Keeping things clean and hygienic has never been this easy or convenient. The Pocket Sink is an essential addition to your camping gear, ensuring you can maintain cleanliness no matter where you are. It also includes a small soap holder and a scrub brush, making dishwashing more efficient.